Hello, welcome to our Cloud Micro Solution channel. Today we will explore some basic utilities for Linux, and we can see the system information and absolutely uh, basic things. So let's get started. So first command, like where uh, where I am in, what is my current path, right? So pwd is a present working directory. So here slash home slash cloud is a path. Okay, so I want to list how many files or what are the files or directories available on this path. So command will be ls. Okay, so first command is ls. We will see what are the files or directories available on this path. So if you want to check details, ls-lrth, you will see all the details here. So this will be total size of this path, all the files and directories. So this is the total size. Okay, so this is directory. If this d indicates that this is directory. Okay, again this is directory. So this minus sign is saying this is a file. Okay, this is file. I can see file. Okay, now so if you read these permissions or details from right to left. Okay, so this is the directory name and this is the timestamp. Okay, date and time. This is size. This is user owner permission. This is group owner permission, and these are the soft links or hard links to this directory and number of direct, and this is the permission. Okay, so first is user owner, user, group, and others. Okay, so this will come in next video, how to see the permissions, how to check the permissions. Okay, so for now, uh, these are some basic details we can see. Okay, so let's clear our screen. So command will be clear. Okay, now let's try to create directory and create a file inside that directory. Okay, so command to create directory is mkdir, right? Mkdir directory name demo1. Okay, so let's check if it is created or not. Okay, so if you see here, the directory is created. Now let's go inside. So command is cd directory name. Now check the path. Path is home cloud demo1, right? So create an empty file. File name is file1. Okay, touch file1. Now I want to write some data inside this file. Okay, so command will be vi. Vi is a file editor. Okay, so I can use file1, and this is line 1, this is line 2. Okay, okay, so let's save this and come out. Now I want to see this file. So command will be cat. I want to see the contents inside the file. Okay, create another file. This time I will directly I will create new file with the content. So I will write this line 3. Okay, now you can see both the lines are created, both the files are created here. Okay, So I want to remove this file from here. rm file 2. Okay, so you can see the file is removed. Okay, so touch is a command to create empty file. Vi is a editor to edit the any file. Okay, and rm is a command to remove the file or directory. Okay, rm-rf and file name, this will goes as a forcefully. Okay, so why this forcefully is very dangerous option, so think before while using rf option. Okay, so I'm removing. Now there are 0 files. Okay, so next is I want to see how many options are available or for the particular command. Okay, so there is an option like man and command name. Man is manual, and let's say command touch. Okay, I want to see the manual of touch command, so man touch, you will see lot of options here. Okay, so these are -a, -c, -d options are there. You can scroll down and you can see what are the options available and how to use this command. Okay, just q and come out. Same thing with, there is another command help. Okay, so help is a same command like manual man, and you will see the details of every command. Okay, now I want to check host name of my system. Okay, so this is my host name, you can see. Okay, now next is how to check the connectivity to the target system or destination. So in our case we will be checking the connectivity with google.com, right? So command will be ping and destination is google.com. Okay, so I'm getting the response from destination, that is ping google.com. This is the IP address of Google. Okay, this will change every time. Okay, and this is the TTL you are getting, and the TTL time 8.33 milliseconds. Okay, so this is the response you are getting your query. Okay, now let's go to next command. Like if you want to check some logs, you want to do some log analysis, that time you need some tools, right? So basic 4 commands are there. So first is less command. Okay, less file name. Okay, so less is command, it is showing all the lines inside the file. Okay, so now if I want to go down by one line, so I will press enter. Okay, and if I want to go one screen down, so I will press spacebar. Okay, now I want to check the previous file, previous line or previous screen, so I will press up arrow. It will come back, or scroll up or scroll back, you can say. Okay, and again you can go down, you can say. Okay, so let's come out from here. Okay, same thing we'll do with more command. Okay, same thing, either enter one line or space bar for one screen. But the difference between less and more command is you cannot scroll back in more command. Okay, I am not able to go back. You can see I'm at 20% of this file, right? Okay, but I'm unable to go back by using up arrow. So this is a difference. In less you can go back, scroll back and forth in less command. So this is the difference. Now next command is head. Okay, head file name. Okay, so by default it will gives you 10 lines of top 10 lines, means from top to bottom you are getting 10 lines, first 10 lines you can say. Okay, now I want to say I want to see first 15 lines. So what I will give 15 and hyphen and 15. So this is the first 15 lines I want to say. See, now next command is tail. Similarly, if you want to see last 10 lines, so command is tail log file name. So similarly, last 10 line it will show by default. Now let's see, I want to check last 15 lines, so hyphen n 15. Okay, so it will gives you last 15 lines. So this will be used during your troubleshooting sessions, or something goes wrong and that time you want to check what happens to the system. That time these commands will be used. Now let's check what is today's date. So command is date. Okay, so this will gives day, date, year, time, am and your time zone. Okay, so next command will be sleep 5. So what it will do, it will tell the screen where wait for 5 seconds and come out. Okay, after 5 seconds it will come out to main prompt. Okay, so what is the use of this? While you are running some loops or any script, and in that script you are installing something, let's say Apache or something, some packages you are installing, that time you need some time to wait and run next command. That time you can use a sleep. Okay, so once it is completed, then it will run the next command, so that time sleep will be used. Okay, so next command will be cal, that is calendar. Okay, so this is this month, by default it will show this month calendar. Okay, date calendar. Cal -3, it will show current month, previous month and next month calendar. Okay, so I think that's all for today's session, and I think you like our channel. Please subscribe and comment in comment box and let us know how this video is, and please comment and like on this. Okay, thanks for watching.